welcome back to a new video here on my channel. If you are new to the channel, hi, my name is Jasreyes, and on today's video we're actually going to go over and review the Turvix 3-in-1 curling brush set. This is actually a thermal heat brush, so instead of using like a round blow dryer brush, because those are a little harder to use, this one's actually a thermal one, which I am super excited to use. It's gonna be my first time trying it with you guys, and it's been really popular on TikTok. Not necessarily this brand, but just like the thermal brush has been really popular. So I am excited to review this brand just because I found it on Amazon and it was a really good price. It was $69.99. And what I really liked about this one is that it comes with 3 different brush sizes. So that was even a plus for me because I like to do different hairstyles all the time. So having like a different size of a wand helps me out, especially when I want more of a loose curl, more of a blowout look, or more of a tight curl. So throughout this video, you guys are gonna see my first impression of trying out this brush. Okay, so this is like my natural hair. This is naturally air dried, and as you can tell, I have really wavy, frizzy hair, especially that it's really damaged from all the bleaching. So let's see if this actually is going to work and smooth out my hair and give it that blowout look. So right here is how the packaging look. I already opened it, I already looked at it, and I already unpackaged it because it came in these little baggies. But it comes with 3 different sizes, which I love because sometimes I want like more voluminous, or I want something more curly and I can use a small one. So let's give this a try and see if it actually works. Alright, so I'm going to start off with the biggest wand that it comes with, just because I want more of that volume and kind of smooth out the hair first. See how it works. Pretty easy to use. You just clamp it down and then you're going to hold it down, and you guys see this pink ring, you guys just lock it. So that's pretty easy to use, and then we turn it on right here and it turns on the light. Now let's see how long it takes to heat up. Ow, I burned myself. I was trying to like test it with the bristles and I burned myself. So okay, so obviously it heats up pretty fast. Sorry that you guys see this right here. I'm actually filming it for my TikTok as well. So this is my mirror so I can see myself, and I have my phone over here, so you guys are gonna see that because I couldn't fit it into the frame without you guys seeing like the whole hair. If you don't follow me on my other social medias, definitely this is the time to go do it. So stop this video and go follow me on Instagram and TikTok. Okay, so now that it's freaking hot and it burned my finger a little bit, I am going to start smoothing it out. So I think I'm gonna start off with my bangs. So I'm just grabbing a triangle for my bangs and we're gonna smooth that out real quick. I wanna see how fast it smooths. Okay, it smoothed it out really quick. Now let's do it a little bit more just because I want it more curly. So maybe like if you want to have that volume look, keep it on there for a little bit just like you would with a normal little brush clip on there, and remove. Ooh, so it gives you like that pretty volume curl, which I love. Now I'm gonna go ahead and smooth out the rest of the hair. You might want to do like section by section if you're really trying to get it really good. One thing I am having trouble is like brushing it out. There you go. Maybe if I start from the ends, that's what I was doing wrong. So now that I'm doing it from the end, so much easier to brush it out. Let's see. It's like wavy, but still gives you like that volume right here. Okay, so as you guys can see, it definitely smoothed out the hair. It gave it a little bit of volume, and I love how wavy it is at the ends. Of course, we use the big one. It's not going to be super curly, but it gives you those beautiful curly ends, and that's usually what I like when I want a blowout. And as you can tell, my hair is really poofy, so it smoothed it out really good, and it did it super fast. So now I'm going to take this one out. I'm going to unlock it, take it out, and we're going to try out the smallest size in the kit. I feel like this is like an inch wand. So one thing I did notice, and I forgot to mention to you guys because I just noticed this right now, that it has these thicker ones right here, just one little section, and then the rest are more like a bristle brush, and that helps with us combing our hair through, and that's why it's not really pulling so much on the hair, which I love. Let's give this one a try. I think it's hot already. I don't even want to touch it anymore, but I'm just gonna trust it because the other one was really hot. I'm gonna start off with my bangs. Okay, it gave me such a bouncy, beautiful curl. I love it. For this one, I think I'm going to do sections just because it's a smaller brush and it can't grab as much hair as the bigger one. and it gave me this beautiful curl. Oh my god, this is so good. I think I really love this one because I feel like I'm gonna do the rest of the hair with this and then like brush it out, and it's gonna give me a bigger blowout look, which I'm going to try. Let's see if it works. As you guys can see, this is like the more curlier part, and this is like the more voluminous part with using the bigger wand and using the smaller wand. So I'm guessing that the middle one, which I'm not going to do today, is a more of like medium volume of these two. So you do as you like, but for me, let me see how it looks brushing these curls out. Okay, so here I have my wide tooth comb, which is a little bit wider. I like to do this one so when I'm brushing out hair and I want that more of a volume look, I recommend using like a really wide tooth comb. It looks so freaking cute. Oh my god, I love it. You can even do it with your fingers if you like, but it gives you more like a frizzy look. So I like to do it with a wide tooth comb. Oh my god, look at that big curl. Like a curling iron is not going to give you such a voluminous a big curl like that. A curling iron is going to give you more of like a flat curl that's like softer and longer, and this one's more like voluminous with that big chunk of curl right there. Oh my gosh, I love it. I love both results. I'm going to do one-on-one, switch it up all the time, but this is definitely worth it, and you can find it on Amazon. I'll have the link for it down below. I'll even have it in my storefront if you are interested in it. But check it out. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you're gonna get it. And we have come to the end of the video, but like always, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to give this video a like, and also don't forget to follow me on all my other social medias to keep up with me and what's going on in my life. So I'll have all the links for that down below on the description box, and I'll see you guys on another video. Bye guys.